Car. Car. Car, is it? Take the cars out of the little rocking car, darling. Yeah, I don't think you're going to fit, sorry. Yep, take them out. Put them up there with Mummy. Mummy will look after them for you. Now, Tar. Muscles. Tar. Now you get in the horse now. Now get in it. Yeah, now climb in it. I think you're supposed to go in the other side, sweetheart. Go in the other side, darling. Is that easier? Ah! Here we go. Ah, he says. Here we go. Ready? Wow! Woo! Here, do you want this now? Sit down. On your bum. There you go. Bub bub. Say bub bub. Little finger off there.